Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you that how to create a new broadcast on WhatsApp. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple and very easy. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. You will simply open your WhatsApp application. So here at the top corner there are three dotted lines. You will simply tap on three dots. Here at the second option there is a new broadcast. You will simply tap on new broadcast. So these are the contacts which you want to broadcast on your WhatsApp. So this you will select these and you will tap on tick. So this broadcast group has been created. When you will send any one message, it will send to these contacts individually. So this is the process of making a broadcast on WhatsApp. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.